95% of people spend their entire lives trapped inside a financial hamster wheel. They work hard to earn a paycheck, use that paycheck to pay bills and debts, run out of money, and are forced to work even harder the following month. It is an exhausting cycle that generates anxiety, sleepless nights, and the constant feeling that, no matter how much you earn, money is never enough. But wealth and peace of mind are not the result of a stroke of luck or winning the lottery. They are the direct result of repeatable daily actions. They are a matter of habits. In this video, I am going to break down for you in ultra-deep detail the 10 key financial habits that will completely transform your mindset and your bank account. If you apply just half of what you see today, you will be way ahead of most of the population. Stay until the very last point, because there I will reveal how to connect all these pieces so that your money works for you while you sleep. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Save under the golden rule. Pay yourself first. Let's analyze the psychology of the average consumer. When most people receive their salary, they review their list of obligations: rent, car, utilities, grocery store, and weekend outings. They tell themselves that whatever is left over at the end of the month will be saved in their savings account. The result is that nothing is ever left over. An unexpected expense, an irresistible offer, or a last-minute dinner always appears. Paying yourself first means reversing the order of the game. As soon as the money enters your account, before paying the landlord, the bank, or the electricity company, you pay yourself. You immediately separate between 10% and 20% of your income and send it to a separate account. By doing this, you force your lifestyle to adapt to the remaining 80%. You will be surprised to see how, magically, you learn to live with that percentage without going through hardships while your wealth grows month after month. Habit number 2. Keep a strict budget focused on avoiding petty expenses. There is a huge myth that budgeting is boring or that it serves to limit you. In reality, a budget is the most powerful tool for freedom that exists. It is deciding where your money is going to go instead of waking up at the end of the month wondering where on earth it went. The real danger to your finances is rarely big expenses like buying a television. The real danger is the petty expenses, the leaks. I am talking about that premium coffee on the way to the office, the $2 mobile app purchases, eating out due to laziness to cook, or the 3 streaming subscriptions you have active but have not opened in months. Individually they seem harmless, but added up they act as small steps to your economy. When you track every single penny in an app or a spreadsheet, you take conscious control of your finances and plug those holes where your money is bleeding out. Habit number 3. Build and protect an emergency fund. Build a fund that covers 3 to 6 months of your fixed expenses or your salary. We live in an uncertain world. It is not a matter of if you are going to have a problem in the future, but when it is going to happen. The car will break down, your work computer might get damaged, or you or a family member could face a health issue. If you don't have an emergency fund, any bump in the road will force you to resort to credit cards, ask for loans from relatives, or sell your belongings at a bad price, falling into a vicious cycle of debt. This fund is not an investment. It is not designed to make you rich or generate great returns. Its sole purpose is to buy you peace of mind and time. If you lose your job, knowing that you have 6 months of living expenses paid allows you to look for a new job with calmness and dignity, without having to accept the first desperate offer that crosses your path. Habit number 4. Define clear and measurable goals. Wishing to have more money or to be financially free is a terrible starting point because they are abstract concepts. Your mind needs specificity to trace executable strategies. A ship without a direction does not reach any port, it just floats until it sinks. You have to put numbers, labels, and expiration dates on your dreams. Instead of saying I want to save this year, you must state it like this: I am going to accumulate $5,000 by the 15th of December of this year to open my first business. Once you have the exact figure, the mathematics does the rest. You divide those $5,000 by 12 months, which gives you about $413 a month, or about $14 a day. Suddenly, a goal that seemed titanic becomes a perfectly manageable daily challenge. You know exactly what action you must take today to win the year. Habit number 5. Maintain total health. I know it may sound strange to find this point on a finance list, but the reality is brutal. Health is the most expensive or most profitable asset of your life. You can build a financial empire, but if you destroy your body in the process, you will end up spending your entire fortune trying to recover the years of well-being you lost. Medical bills, chronic medications, and loss of working capacity due to poor nutrition or extreme sedentary lifestyle can ruin any financial strategy in a matter of months. In addition, a healthy body produces optimal levels of energy, dopamine, and focus. With more energy, you are more productive, you make better decisions under pressure, and you have the strength necessary to work on your projects after your working hours. Taking care of your nutrition, sleeping well, and exercising is not a waste of time. It is the cheapest insurance policy for your financial future. Habit number 6. Cultivate and strategically select your network of contacts. Sociologist Jim Rohn said an uncomfortable truth: you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Look around you right now. If your close circle of friends spends the weekend complaining about the economy, spending money they don't have on brand name clothes to show off, or talking about gossip and empty entertainment, it is extremely difficult for you to get out of there. Human behavior is contagious by proximity. When you change your network and surround yourself with people with a growth mindset, entrepreneurs, or focused professionals, the conversation changes. You stop talking about people and you start talking about ideas, about investments, about market trends, and about books. Do not be afraid to step away from environments that drain your energy and your pockets. Look for communities, attend networking events, and find mentors who are already in the economic place you wish to reach. Habit number 7. Automate your financial decisions. Willpower is a severely limited resource. If every month you have to sit down to fight against yourself to decide whether you save money for your future or if you buy those shoes you saw on sale, eventually you are going to lose the battle. Your brain will always prefer immediate reward over long-term benefit. The solution is to take control away from your impulses and automate the system. Configure your digital banking so that, on a scheduled basis, fixed bills pay themselves and your savings percentage is transferred directly to your investment account the very same day you receive your paycheck. By automating, you eliminate mental friction, you protect yourself from yourself, you avoid costly late fees due to forgotten payments, and you guarantee that your investment goals are met with military discipline without you having to move a single finger. Habit number 8. Learn to negotiate to always improve your purchase price. We live in a society where we have been taught that asking for a discount or negotiating terms is bad manners or a cause for shame. Get that idea out of your head immediately. Failing to negotiate is, quite literally, giving away the money for which you sacrificed hours of your life. Negotiating in a professional and assertive manner can change the course of your finances. This applies from asking for a salary increase by justifying your value with data and results, to calling your internet or insurance company to request a lower retention rate. When you buy large assets like a car or real estate, a well-executed negotiation can save you thousands of dollars all at once. That is money that stays in your pocket, generating interest instead of going to the balance sheet of another corporation. He who does not ask, does not receive. Shyness is very expensive. Habit number 9. Focus on generating passive income. They must be built on a solid foundation of financial education. There is an undeniable mathematical reality: your time is finite. You only have 24 hours a day, so if your income depends exclusively on your physical presence and swapping your hours for money, you have a financial ceiling that you will never be able to exceed. Passive income streams are those channels that, after a significant initial effort or investment, continue to generate cash flow constantly with very little ongoing maintenance. I am talking about stock dividends, rents from real estate properties, or the sale of digital products on the internet. But beware. To build this safely and avoid falling into pyramid schemes or fraudulent businesses, you need the pillar of financial education. Invest in books, quality courses, and seminars. Your mind is the main engine. If you fill your mind with knowledge, your mind will fill your pockets with money. Habit number 10. Invest constantly. This is the habit that unifies and powers all the previous ones. Keeping money under the mattress or leaving it stagnant in a traditional savings account is a strategy where you lose money every single day due to inflation, which silently devours the purchasing power of your currency. Investing is not an option for the rich. It is the mandatory vehicle you must use to become financially free. By placing your capital in index funds, stocks, or regulated instruments, you put to work the most powerful mechanism in the financial universe, compound interest. It is the snowball effect, where your earnings generate more earnings, and over the years, your money begins to multiply exponentially. You do not need a fortune to get started. The most important factor here is not the initial amount, but constancy and time. Start today with whatever you have and let time build your freedom. Achieving financial independence does not require genius. It requires discipline and consistency to maintain these 10 habits over time. If this map has brought you value and you want to see more strategic content on finance and personal growth, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell.